Birthday ni grandma dito. Ni grandma. Birthday ni grandma. Kain na yung bata ng ano. Ewan ko kung anong cashew. Cashew na ano. Chocolate. Ay, hindi man yan siya chocolate. Parang vanilla na cashew. Ayan na, look at me. Okay, nag-away pa sila ni grandma. kasi gusto niya madami sa kamay niya. Ay, naku tong batang ito. Nandoon sila sa loob ngayon, nagbubukas ng mga gamit niya. Ito na yung kwarto ni ma'am.
Don't take my...
Ma'am, don't worry about your beautiful.
Open this one. Open this.
Bukas kami ng mga dala niya. Nahiya siya kasi nga yung ulo niya daw walang buhok. Nalagasan na ng buhok. Kaya nahiya siya kung may pakita yung mukha niya.
Here is his tea bags. Come here, Harun.
Babe, come here, babe. Requested by you. The tea. Yeah, you can put it here, ma'am.
You look, this is the best tea bags I have for you. Here,
Oh, red label, good.
this is cashew nut.
This is for you. You want tea. This
Yeah,
is
we can have this one now.
this you can make. This you have to make. You have to cook it.
Okay.
This is no need cooking.
Which one?
This one, this is your tablet.
How do you cook that?
It means you have to put milk and you have to at least boil it for like 2-3 times.
Really? I don't know.
Ay, nako.
Too much work.
In this, all pickles are there.
What is that?
Pressure cooker
This I was
to make bulalo,
you boil anything, you know.
to cook meat and all that. You can never get this thing out.
You don't even know how to use it.
These are the green tea leaves, organic.
Organic.
Meron tayong ano pa almond.
This is green tea leaf for you.
Uling.
This is pickle.
Maging healthy na tayo. Marami tayong tea.
Oh,
This is
nice.
mango pickle.
Mango pickle.
This is the lemon pickle. Sweet lemon. This is cardamom and ये सब घर में था.
What is it?
Cardamom
This
and
cardamom and cloves.
Cloves.
Yeah.
The real one. It's for tea, right?
Yeah, tea.
for tea, you can put for but over here.
Cloves.
Sweet one.
Fresh na fresh.
Yeah.
Elastic.
Ganito pala yung cloves. What is this? It's a seed,
It's a
mom?
cardamom.
It's cardamom, darling.
I don't know what it is. But
Cardamom is
Yeah.
you can eat like this?
Yeah, eat.
Really?
But it is in the tea and curries and all you put for the
Mix
flavor.
pala siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga tito.
Yes, good. Good that you bought this one.
This one is okay.
Okay, for the leg.
What?
Oil for the leg, remember?
Pressure cooker daw. From India.
Yeah, this is
Caldero.
this is bulalo.
Cooked bulalo. You can cook rice here, mom, too?
No, you can't cook
No
rice.
rice?
in pressure cooker.
Now I will tell you, this is for my night water. Huh?
Okay. Yes, anak.
I keep.
What happened? Give me.
See,
See?
I told you, now you will like it.
Yung wasting it, anak.
Wing skill. One
Go
wing
take
skill
na.
gone, the other wing skill has come.
Go take your weight now.
No, you are very bad temper.
Ooh.
ये लड़की पे ये ले बोलो.
Huh? That's not the one, Daddy. That's not the one, sweetheart. No, no, that's not the one. That's all pickles.
Which one you like, anak? No, the chaka. You want this?
But I don't know where it is that one.
Later, anak, we can open this one. That's mama tea.
Tea bag.
That's mama's tea. What is this, mom? Garter?
Sorry?
Garter?
Yeah, he told me to bring some. I don't know what.
For what?
We want to put in the underwear or so. This is my iron was there. I brought it to you.
Okay.
You have?
Yeah, I have to. Oh, this, mom, this drawer is for you.
Sorry?
You can put it here on your clothes.
Yeah.
Wala pa siyang ano, plancha.
This is-
That's a tea, anak, tea. That's for me. For everybody. Tea, tea, tea. Para maging healthy tayo. Yes, anak. That's a tea. That's not for you, anak.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, I have some milk there. So it's just like one scoop.
Yeah, one scoop. Half scoop for 1 cup.
For 1 cup.
Yeah. And you can put this
Ay, hindi pala
cardamom.
kape.
Huh?
This is a tea or coffee?
This is tea.
Tea? Okay, tea
Coffee I
pala.
can drink.
No,
This is just some
Lemon
candy
tea.
that is very, on my.
I can't see it.
This is slippers you don't wear at home, no?
Yeah, you can wear, mom.
Yeah, only thing, I will not take it out from the home.
Yeah, you can wear this one inside.
Yeah, he said, no.
Yeah, you can. You can put everything in. You want me to help you?
Yeah. This is all woolen
Oh,
only
yeah.
I brought. Maybe he said bring some.
Okay, let's remove this suitcase first.
No, this all I am going to put it in this
Okay.
because this I am not going
You're
to
going
use
to
the
wear-
hardly.
Okay.
Or I will put in that small one. This one you
Okay.
know for the back. You can put this one here because this is not now. This is when hot comes, the woolen. When the winter comes.
Oh, this is for you, anak. Say thank you, grandma. Oh, give the grandma hug. Huggy, grandma. Oh, that's so sweet. Meron siyang paalahas. Oh, show to Dada. Dada, look
She
what
will
I
throw-
got.
Bring Dada here.
Oh, come. Go, Dada. Pakita niya daw kay Dada niya.
Darling.
Dada, look. She got something, Dada. Look at Show to Dada.
Papa.
Earring.
Earrings.
Earrings. Say thank you, grandma. No, that's not a toy, anak. It's not a toy.
This is for Nicole.
Oh,
Nicola. Actually, this is pure silver with some I don't know.
Ah,
what
she
the-
dropped it.
See, I told
no,
you.
no, no, no.
Okay.
Thank you,
This
mom.
is for her. This is actually near gold, but gold plated for her.
Okay.
Your elder one.
Thank you.
Sorry, that's tea. Thank you.
Anak, say thank you to grandma. Huh? What happened?
हैं?
उसके लिए.
उसके लिए ये है।
Oh. Thank you, mom.
This is the chain. This is the real gold.
Oh, thank you.
Ah,
And this is the earrings with the set.
Thank you, mom. Oh, no, no, no,
no,
no.
no,
This is
darling,
not a
no.
toy, my dear.
No, this is not a toy, anak.
You have yours, darling. You have yours, okay?
Thank you, mom.
You have yours.
Nice and
So, yes, anak.
Done. Mama.
Yes.
Done.
Mm-mm.
Mama.
Yes, anak.
Done.
Done. Gone.
Done.
Mag-unboxing tayo mga shots.
Mama.
Itong binigay niya sa akin.
what is
May,
that?
may pa-silver pa ako. Ang Viviana too has one bracelet. Is that a bracelet? Say thank you, grandma.
This is for you.
And-
Ah.
Ito yung binigay niya kay Ayana. Oh, that's so cute. Mayroon na tayong pang sanla nito. Pagdating sa kahirapan. And ito yung sa akin. Ayan. Thank you, ma'am. It looks beautiful. Ano siya, terno siya. Oh, gold. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ah. I tried to put it on, ma'am. Yeah.
Just wear and see.
How can I do this, ma'am? Ang kapal pa kami. Wait lang, tanggalin natin yung isa nating gold. Para dumami.
Mom.
Yes. Wait, I'm taking a video, anak. Hold on. Ano ba ito? Pataas lang pala siya. Ang kapal ng ano nga. You like chocolate? Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you for the chocolate.
Doctor.
Oh, good to share to Dada. Ay. Ganda.
Actually, I will tell you this. It was mine.
Oh.
So when I took him to the goldsmith, he said he will cut making charges and blah blah blah. Nearly how many thousand he was cutting. I said no, you give it as it is. I will give her as it is. Because it is expensive gold, and they will, when you sell it, they will not give you the same price. You don't want to wear and keep it, no?
Mm. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Oh, meron na tayo. It looks good, ma'am. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah, look at this. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ganda. Babe, look at me here. Ganda. May paano tayo. May pangsanla na tayo soon. Diba? Zoom in natin. Ganyan siya. Ang kapal pa kamo niya, ha?
Bells,
Thank you.
earrings.
Ang ganda ko
Where's the
na.
band?
Yeah. Ang ganda ko na.
Don't take my photo.
Don't worry, ma'am. Nahiya siya kasi nga kalbo daw yung ulo niya. Yeah, one day we will get your wig. Bibiana. Hey, that's Bibiana. Kumakain na ng chocolate. I'll show to Aaron. Babe, look at me. Wipe it. Look at me. Am I pretty? Yeah.
Yeah, you are pretty.
Mabigat yung aking mga yung aking mga kayamanan. Oh, thank you. Yeah. It's quite expensive, ma'am. I know it's not quite, it's very expensive. Thank you so
No,
much.
I mean to say in case in emergency and all, sometime
Yeah.
you have to,
Yeah.
you never know when you need the money and all. This is your asset for the life.
Yeah.
Mm.
Where's Bibiana?
Dad.
Yeah, there's a light. Oh, see, there's a light inside. Ang mahal pala ang dito mga shots. Ang mahal-mahal na. Yung presyo, ang halaga. Nakakalula ang halaga, anak.
Right.
That's for me. Yeah, there's a light in that one.
Alright.
Yeah.
There's blood pressure for you.
Mom.
Oh.
Why, do you have a plug?
Blood monitor.
Oh, you brought this one? Oh, that's a good one. Okay.
इसमें बैटरी डालो और इधर का टाइम सेट करो.
Oh, you still have this Falcon Black?
Yeah.
बैटरी नहीं है, बैटरी के तंगे हैं यहाँ पे.
पास है, बैटरी है.
Meron pa ako nito.
Battery is there.
Ang dami niyang pinigay. Yes, anak.
Dad.
Ah,
Mama, my apples.
open it?
Yes. Mom. Oh, you can take that.
Yes.
Wow. Mama,
Yes, anak.
did you
Mom,
get?
you still have this, man.
This is very handy for me because all the time I see the time there.
I know, but I still don't believe that this is.
Oh, careful.
Mama, Mama.
Every time I look at this only. I don't use this, what do you call it?
Mobile phone?
Yeah.
Mama.
Mm.
Okay. Mama.
Mm.
Okay.
Open?
Mama.
Mm.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama. Mama.
Yes.
The blood monitoring
yeah.
machine. Keep it somewhere.
Yeah.
When you want to check the blood, that time only we can put the battery.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, boy.
Mm. Nag-kiss, tapos winipe. Ay, naka. Say hello to Tata Shots. Okay.
This is some clean. This
Da.
was a new one only I bought. Clean.
Okay.
This my friend brought from USA.
Okay, can I keep that
Silly
now?
things sometime I give. It is just
Okay.
because it was so much a big room. I thought on the way maybe, this is battery for the mains.
Babe, come here na, babe. Check your weight.
We have to put this battery.
Babe. Okay, can I keep that one now, anak? Yes. What's that? Moon. Yeah, it looks like a moon.
What is that?
It's a moon shape.
Moon shape.
Yes, moon.
Yes. I didn't bring any.
Flex ko lang mga shots yung dala niya. Hindi siya nagdala ng marami kasi nga may nahirapan siya magbitbit. Ay, hindi ko to nakita. Yung mga anik-anik na mga herbs, cloves, tapos yung ilan na mga, hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan nito mga shots. May almond, may, hindi ko alam. Ayan. Basta flex ko na lang. Ayan, mga pagkain. Tapos tea, tapos ito, tapos meron pa doon sa ref na dalawa na kinain namin kanina. So yun lang yung dala niya. Hindi masyadong marami kasi nga hindi siya makadala ng marami. Pero ito yung ating nagwagi tayo. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much sa aking beautiful set ng ating jewelry. Kalain mo yun. Hindi ko kalain magkakaroon ako ng ganitong set. Ayan. Wala lang. Masaya lang ako mga shots. Kasi panonoorin niya na naman tong aking vlog na iya na naman ako. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the precious gift. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Iingatan ko to. Ang kwento pala nito, kasi sabi niya kanina, binili niya. Tapos umamin din pala siya sa kanya pala to galing. Pinamana niya sa akin. Itong whole set na to. Pinamana niya sa akin. Tapos meron akong pa-silver dito. Bigay niya din. Tapos meron pa ako doon sa kabila. Hindi ko na ipakita. But anyway, ang ganda. Bagay sa akin, di ba? Ang mahal dito. Nakita ko yung presyo. Ang mahal-mahal. Pwede na natin yan, no? Sabi niya, pag dumating yung kahirapan ng buhay, pwede na natin masanla. Oh my God, akong kapaniwala. Anyway, yun lang yung aming vlog mga shots. Dito ko na lang yan yung aming vlog mga shots para mabilis tayo. And see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching!